wasn't recording. Light the box up again, please. Come closer, use our energies in the room. Do you mean us any harm? Light that box up if you mean us harm. Is this the same spirit from room 333? Have you followed us from that room? Light the box up if you have. Can you make that temperature change for us, please? You'll come towards me so I can try and get that on camera. Come over towards you. Can you drop that temperature more for us, please? Can you take it down? Thank you. Can you take it lower? Take it even lower. Keep bringing the temperature down for us, please, as low as you can. Keep bringing that temperature down. Take it down to 10. Can you take it down as low as you can? Use my energy. Is your name Samantha? Is your name Samantha? Why am I getting the name Samantha? Keep bringing it down, please. Dropping it down, please. As low as you can. Can you drop it down quick? If you can make that temperature change as quick as you can. Drop that temperature as quick as you can. Is it my friend you like? Andy, who sat down? Is it Andy you're interested in, the Scottish lad? Just keep cooling the temperature out every couple of seconds. Just keep cooling the changes out.
13.7.
Are you a little girl? May the box light up. I know you're doing a lot in this room and really, really are grateful. Can you light that box up if you're a child? If you're a young child, please. Are you a young child? It's dropping down still.
Yes, it should drop again. I wonder if it was this one that would follow me home the last time.
Where was we when it happened? Can you remember?
I honestly can't remember, Andy, if it was here or if it was Uni House one. But I think we done both in the same night.
We did, didn't we?
So,
If she's followed you from here over to Uni House and just latched and attached to you.
yeah, she's there again. Don't know why I'm thinking it's a she, but I'm convinced it's a little girl.
Yeah, I've got the name Samantha. I keep getting the name Samantha over and over again. Samantha.
Maybe I remind her of her dad.
Does Andy remind you of your father? He does.
Whoa, what was it?
Okay.
It
Yeah.
jumped up to 31 point
Yeah.
something then.
Well, your K2 lit up
Oh.
when I said, does Andy remind you of the father?
Well, that was weird.
Yeah.
He just literally spiked to 31 point something then dropped.
He's dropped down 13.7.
13.7, yeah.
I'm convinced it's a little girl. And I don't know, but I think she reminded her of her dad.
Does he look like your father? Does he look like your dad?
It's the height.
Is that right?
Something to do with height.
13.4.
Does it keep dropping?
I take it it's because I'm tall.
Is it because he's tall? Is that why you're attached to him? Is it because he's tall? Or is it his accent because he's Scottish? Are you Scottish? Is it the accent? Because it's a different one from mine and Tom's.
Can you remember some of the other names that you got up here?
We've had loads of different names.
There was quite a few female names.
Yeah, there was.
Joanne.
Samantha.
There was loads of names, but we can remember two.
Yeah, yeah, I know, yeah. We got Angel.
Ah, yeah, that's right.
Got Angel, and you got Angel on your neck.
Yeah, because I've got a tattoo.
Of Angel on your neck. Is it a tattoo that reminds you of your father? It's the fact that he's got Angel on his neck. Does that tattoo remind you of something? Let's make the box lights up if that's true, please.
I wonder if that's something maybe her dad used to call her.
Nickname, yeah. Could be a nickname, yeah. Is Angel your nickname? It's staying around about 13, isn't it?
13.4, 13.3.
So it is still going on slowly.
Is it just your left side you're feeling it on? Should I test the right side?
Yeah, you can do, yeah, yeah. Oh, we just spiked them massively there then. Yeah.
Oh, wow, man. She's moved sides.
Well, the temperature has now dropped to 12.4. So she's playing a game.
I think she's playing a game, mate.
12.2.
I'm going to move this over it. You're the guinea pig, Andy.
Yeah.
12.4, it's going up a little bit. 0.5.
Samantha, are you stood near Andy?
12.6.
Sure.
Go back on this side then.
Let's put this over here first.
She's playing.
And do us a favour, you hold the K2 for us, mate. Can you light that box up? Have you stood near Andy?
Going up to 13 degrees now.
It's going back up.
Yeah. Well, it's dropped from its original when it was on there. It was 13.3, 13.4.
Yeah.
It was fluctuating now.
No, it's funny, it's dropping down. I'm roasting, I'm sweating.
Yeah, it is warm up
Yeah,
here.
it is.
Yeah.
I'm cool as well, but I feel cool.
What I'm going to do, I'm going to stop recording. We're not going to move from here. I'm going to try something else. I'm going to try some. I'm going to try dowsing rods. See if we can get answers.